Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, I wanna read some article by July Gordon and Sherry J. Canadian home prices are dropping fast after surging during the coronavirus pandemic, but that is offering little relief for consumers who face high rocketing rents and fading buying power as interest rates rise. Desperate would-be buyers found themselves caught in a frenzy of bidding wars for real estate during the pandemic, when home prices in Canada rose more than 50% in just 2 years. Now the competition has moved to rentals, with landlords demanding months of rent upfront and at times even pitting tenants against one another to see who will pay more, according to real estate agents and media reports. The average rent on a one-bedroom apartment in Canada is up 13.7% from the start of the year. Data from Rentals CA shows, with year-on-year rent surging 18.5% in Toronto and 19.2% in Vancouver. The shift from frantic demand from homes to buy to homes to rent makes planning a broader issue with Canadian housing that there simply is not enough of it, said Dan Sakrow, president of McDonald Realty in Vancouver. Higher interest rates are not destroying demand for housing, it's just shifting demand from buying to renting. He said the demand just slows between renters and buyers depending on where rates are, so long as you have constrained supply. The Bank of Canada has raised its policy interest rate to 2.5% new from 0.25% at the start of the year to fight inflation, which hit a near 40-year high of 8.1% in June. The rapid rise in borrowing costs has sailed the real estate market, pulling down Canada's average home price by 18.5% from its February peak, according to data from the Canadian Real Estate Association. But softer prices do not appear to be helping would-be buyers who now can't get loans due to far higher mortgage qualifying rates, and that in turn is driving up rental demand. Rent had gone insane because people have to have a place to live, said Paul Eviston, a Vancouver-based real estate agent. Demand on the rental market has really taken off, as a lot of people that were could-be buyers are now forced to rent. That hot rental demand has put a floor under condo prices in larger cities, real estate agents said, with investors feeling confident enough to wipe out price dips and some even looking to snap up more investment properties. Toronto again, Imran Khan just sold a loft apartment to an investor. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.